Even the best-laid plans can sometimes go awry. In food safety management, it's crucial to have a plan in place for when things don't go as expected. This is where corrective actions come in. They help us prevent potentially unsafe food from reaching consumers. What triggers corrective actions? Whenever there's a deviation from a critical limit at a HACCP, it's a sign that something needs to be fixed. This triggers the need for corrective actions. Essential components of corrective actions. Identify and fix the problem. First, we need to figure out what caused the deviation and take steps to correct it. This might involve adjusting equipment, retraining staff, or revising procedures. Determine what to do with affected products. We need to decide what to do with any product that was produced while the deviation was occurring. This could involve reprocessing, discarding, or releasing it with appropriate labeling. Document everything. It's essential to keep detailed records of the deviation, the corrective actions taken, and who was responsible. This documentation helps us track trends, identify recurring problems, and verify the effectiveness of our system. Planning ahead. Corrective actions shouldn't be an afterthought. They should be planned in advance for each critical control point, or CCP, and included in the HACCP plan. This pre-planning should include specific actions to take when a deviation occurs, who is responsible for implementing those actions, and how records will be created and maintained. Who's in charge? Individuals with a deep understanding of the process, the product, and the HACCP plan should be responsible for overseeing corrective actions. In some cases, it might be necessary to consult with experts to determine the best course of action. Key takeaway. Corrective actions are a critical safety net in food production. They help us address deviations, prevent unsafe food from reaching consumers, and continuously improve our food safety management system.